What is going on, guys? I'm here with Kalvin, or aka Redline Ricer. Today, we're gonna be doing some maintenance to the S2000, basically oil change, diff fluid flush, and trans flush as well. Just getting everything back on par. Alright guys, so we are starting off with the diff. So basically the fill is going to be a 23 mil, and then the drain is going to be a 24 mil. See how dirty this fluid is? It looked like it was done pretty recently, so... Actually,
that's not recently.
Nope, that's not recently.
This is the new differential fluid he's putting in. GL5 75 W90, still the same weight as the stock one, we just went GL5. It's going to taste a little bit more often.
Yep. So we got the drain bolt, and then we got the crush washer as well. I'll also show a picture with the part number and everything, so you guys can go get this at a Honda dealership.
I'll show it. One of them is ripped. Alright, the diff fluid is done. Doing the transmission fluid now.
Awesome.
For this one, you're gonna need 3/8 drive ratchet, and you're gonna need a 17. And that's it.
Yes.
And obviously your transmission fluid. Isn't that right, Brandon?
Yes, sir. Gotta get your training fluid from actual Honda itself. I didn't really go to like O'Reilly's or any other auto places to get training fluid. Gotta stick with OEM. Alright, 17 mil on the fill. Oh my fucking god, why do I even go to the gym if I can't fucking take these off?
Do you want an extension?
No. Yes.
Okay.
I'm just pushing my weight away. What the? Ah. There you go.
See? Told you. Sharp jab movements. It works. You're just too weak. Oh, that's clean.
Yeah.
But they just overfilled it. The drain is 29, torqued down right now. And then the fill is going to be 33 once you put in the new fluid. Same contraption as needed.
Oh wow. That was super light. But it was...
Why'd you miss the drain pan? Yeah, I knew you were going to miss it. One-handed is crazy.
Alright guys, and just like that, we got the differential and we got the transmission fluid all flushed out, and also performed an oil change as well. As you can see kind of earlier in the video, the differential fluid was pretty dark in this color, so we got that flushed out. The training fluid wasn't as dark, but it's just a good peace of mind to just get all the preventative maintenance done and over with, so it's a good peace of mind. Special thanks to Kalvin for letting me work at his place with like the quick jacks and basically with the tools and everything. Was definitely a big help. I will of course have his IG and also his YouTube linked right here, so just be sure to check him out. But just like that, I will see you guys in the next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Peace. Actually